Good morning, all students. So we move to the second cocktail for the mojito. So the ingredient we have like white rum, we have the mint leaf, we have the lamb, and we have the brown sugar. And we will top up with soda. Could you bring a can of soda for me, please? So make sure all the cocktail before you shake it, you need to make the decoration before, right? So I will use the lamb slime for today. Thank you. So the lamb slime all prepared for the garnish. And then we use the lamb web, okay, for the mojito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like this, enough, okay. And then for the mint leaf, okay. 8 to 10. So here we take it from a stem of the mint leaf and we put into the highball glass. Okay. You see. Sai chín cam dương hiện tục du đầu tiên chẳng hiện không ai này. Tăng phát dương ắt châu từ dương cho kẹn cùng tinh màu kể tối cái tục hàng bảo kê chẳng đi bảo ở đây. Garnished. 2 pack of brown sugar. $60 ml of white wine. Made from sugar cane. It's a 40, half, 20 more, so 60. In the method of cocktail is about the model, right? Just a bit to make sure the freshman is getting a smell, and you can put the lamb bread together, it's okay. Before and after it's okay. Yeah. Just a little bit to sweet the lamb, bring out the lamb juice, right? Just like this. Okay, so and then we put more. So here we just soda water, bring it down slowly up to making the bubble. See here, and then we get it with lamb slime and fresh mint. Like this. Get the right hand size. Put the straw behind of the garnish or the cocktail. So here we finished for 2 cocktails already. The first one is classic daiquiri and the second one is Mojito. Could you say together? Mojito.